Superlative.
We're ready for you, Getachew.
Superlative. Okay.
One interview later.
Oh no! This is bad! This is very, very bad! He's going to kill me. Sir, please! Let me explain. They tricked me! It wasn't my fault, I swear! Oh no, sir, please, not the belt! Ah, they set me up!
Ow! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Ow! I'm sorry! Okay? I'm sorry!
Told you to say all is well. You said all is chaotic. Maybe you should had your vodka drinks with you to make sense and have some balls.
The boys. Sir, the questions are harder than what we practiced.
I represented the nation and you the best I could. I even denied the genocide against you. I know my people will disown me for that. You represented me as a disaster documentary. Do you think I give a crab about what your people think of you? In fact, I want you to go back so that the TPLF can court-martial you and face the firing squad before I do it myself. How but? You said you will never abandon me if I go against the TPLF. There is a competence clause on your contract to stay on my payroll. Do you remember who saying I was 7th grader? Now you will see who is uneducated. You are a piece of shit. You were sent to fix the public image, but ruined it more. Get the fuck out of my office!